Hello guys, thank you for watching this beautiful video. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to install HCL Digital Experience 9.5. So on Windows operating system, once you extract the files, you will see folders like this. So go to each one of the folders, take the setup. Okay, better let's go from fourth CD. Uh, so from fourth CD, whatever is there the contents, just cut it and put it in the first CD. Better first CD or outside. Outside, put it outside. Okay, now go to third CD. Take the content, cut it, and put it outside. Go to second CD. Whereas if it is Linux or AX or any Unix system, you will directly create it will directly create setup CD. But only in Windows it won't happen. You have to go manually and collect setup folder and keep it outside. So in this wonderful video we are going to discuss lot of things, guys. Lot of challenges we are going to discuss. So first I prepared the setup CD. So let's check. Yeah, oh, the setup is still here. Control X, go out, paste it here. Yes, so we have nowhere setup CD now. So let me exit the IAM once because I'm seeing system is slow. Third CD also empty, second CD also empty. All things are outside now. So now go and see setup CD. So once you properly extract the setup CD in HCL 9.5 digital experience, you will see only two products. One is IAM products. That's all. So you are good to go now. So guys, HCL 9.5 installation is not an easy task. Let me divide that into a subtask. So HCL 9.5 digital experience. Earlier the software is called as a IBM WebSphere Portal 9.5. 5 installation is a tricky thing actually. It's not a straightforward thing. It's a tricky thing. How to do is first one is you need to install VAS 9.0 with JDK
8.5.
8.0. Okay.
Okay.
And the second thing is students. First step is this. Once you do this, if you try to install Portal 8.5 now, you have to install Portal 8.5, and then finally you have to install Portal 9.5. That's all. These are the three steps. So now what is the issue? The issue is
Why do we need Portal 8.5?
so okay. The good question. So Portal 8.5, Portal 9.5.
Yeah.
They are keeping both of them in the version 9.5.
Okay.
9.5 is just a license only. The real product inside the 9.5 is 8.5.
Oh.
So from 6 years it is 8.5, and in 9.5 also they want to continue 8.5 only.
Okay.
So for this reason we are doing like this. So sorry, after 8.5 the next step is CF17 for 8.5, and the last step is we have to install Portal 9.5. So even though the 4 steps, there are challenges, guys. Here you will face a error called uh, unsupported unsupported OS error. Here also you will face unsupported OS error. Similarly, here also these packages will throw this error, unsupported OS error for sure. And to overcome this error, we need to do a if. What is if? What is if? If is interim fix. Interim fix we should apply to VAS 9.0. So that is why I divided it into 4 tasks. So first task is VAS 9.0 and then second, so here we are applying interim fix. Interim fix for VAS 9.0. So try to understand guys, without this stuff you cannot install HCL 9.5. In any way you will fail with this error, unsupported error.
Okay.
So okay, as of this video, IBM Installation Manager is already installed. IBM, if you go and see here what are the things installed, you go and see view installed packages guys. So here I didn't done anything, I just installed VAS 9.0 and then I installed Java. I didn't done anything guys. I will show you in this video how to install portal everything. So go to preferences. So your immediate goal is remove this search button here. Your immediate goal is, because you installed VAS, your immediate goal is go and find out where is your 9.5. 9.5 is here, setup is here. You don't need to install. So go here. This is the interim fix I am talking about. So select this interim fix, extract this here. So it will take some time, let it extract. Meanwhile Java I installed, VAS I installed. So add VAS portal 8.5 meanwhile. Portal 8.5 and WCM 8.5 also. So means 8.5 we are trying to finish. So while installing 8.5 we are installing VAS fix, interim fix also. That is the way we have to do. So go WCM repository, okay. Now interim fix, because last time it is not ready, now we will see. Interim fix is extracted now. Add interim fix also, save, okay, install. So what we are trying to do, upon existing VAS 9.0 we are trying to install portal 8 along with the interim fix. This is what we are doing. So that is why it's saying Java is installed, VAS is installed. So no worries, we will select a portal content management and let me show you my full screen guys. Alt N. Okay, so here it says the interim fix. Interim fix is ending with 896 and it is applying to portal 8.5. So if we apply this interim fix, then only the portal 9.5 will go smoothly and it will not throw any unsupported OS error. Strangely, the unsupported OS error you can resolve with this only one way. Okay, so I'm installing interim fix now. Not only that, so let's see what is there in our next release. Create a new package group. Is that correct? Yes, it's correct, because we are creating a portal a new package group and we will select existing 9.0 VAS for that. So portal profile, up to you guys. For the purpose of this video I will unselect portal server profile, but you can install portal server profile also, but portal server profile creation will take 4 hours. So for me to I want to create the video, I don't have any work, so I am removing this so that the installation will be faster now. So click next. Okay, now this is important. You already installed VAS 9.0.
Okay.
So now here you are saying, oh, portal 8.5 you install on my VAS 9.0. So which VAS it is asking. So VAS 90. I have installed
Yes.
VAS 90 here.
Yes.
So we are saying to Portal 8.5, please install, don't you install your own VAS, you use my VAS.
Yes.
That's what we are telling in this step. You guys are clear? Now this is routine story. We are saying here some password, credential. In my case, I am taking WP admin, WP admin, WP admin, and then guys don't be in a hurry. So now click install, and for the sake of this video, I am going to pause and because I have to cover 9.5 installation everything, so I am pausing this now. Okay guys, thanks for your patience. So far we have installed Portal 8.5. So what is our next step? Let's go to our document and see. So our next step is the CF17 for the 8.5. This is our stuff now. So for that, hard disk. Student, can you please pick that hard disk for me? So guys, let us copy CF17 for VAS 8.5. Okay, so we have CF17 here. Just extract it. So guys, there are various ways of installing 9.5. In another video, I am making how to install 9.5 upon a running 8.5 environment.
Okay.
Running means real time environment. I am making another video. So just watch this video and keep on following my videos, new videos. Okay, thank you guys. So now what we are doing is we are extracting CF17. So assume that it was extracted. Let's go here. Preferences, add repository. Yes, it was extracted. In 9.5 I kept this one. So in 9.5 there is one more zip file. So just extract this one again. It's okay, just a minute it will take. I'm relaxing back and having some popcorn meanwhile. Okay guys, thanks for your patience. Now go inside and this repository colors, that's it. Open, okay, open, then okay, and then update now. Okay, so what you want to update? 8.5. Next. Okay, what it is saying, running process has been detected. So whenever you see a message like this, running process have been detected, means some process is running now. So how to see which process is running under, I will show you. So simply just try to go to the task manager. This is my task manager. Expand it. Okay, once you expand, no, expand means not this way. More details. Exactly. So now try to find out a Java process J. Okay. So how many more J's we have? Sort by name. Again J, J, only one. So definitely this is the culprit and task. Okay, now try. Go back. Come forward. Wonderful, guys. So click next now. That's amazing, isn't it, student?
Yes.
So the error was gone. This is the beauty of Windows. If it is Linux, you have to exit and you have to rerun the IM. So that's it. Next. So that's it, and then update. So again, I'm going for pause. So guys, we have successfully installed CF17 also. So let's see what are the next steps. Finish. So what are the next steps? What are the next steps now? We still remaining is okay. We have installed Portal 8.5 and we have installed the interim fix for VAS also,
Yes.
CF17
And
also.
also CF17.
Final thing is Portal 9.5. Simple. Now we don't get any error. We everything is over when we install IF. So let's quickly add to repository 9.52 here. Okay. So browse for repository, and when you browse, choose from 9.5 setup products. Choose 9.5 again. Where we have 9.5 here two server things. One is server which is called portal server. Similarly, we have WCM also, that is my license. But in any of the case, 9.5 is not a product; it's just a license. So overall 9.5 installation is 2.5 MB only because those are license files. It will take around 2 minutes only. So go back here, go to WCM repository, okay, okay, and here is a tricky point, guys. You have to install now, and by the installation you have to choose VAS or C. First you select these two 9.5, 9.5, and the next
Only 9.5 isn't it?
because final step, right?
Yes.
We have installed already 8.5,
Yeah.
CF17, everything.
Yes.
So 9.5 remain. So I agree. So what we are doing here is we are applying to we are agreeing the license, and then here this is what the tricky thing I am saying. You have to select the portal 8.5 because our main goal is portal installation.
Yes.
Portal where you have to install for VAS or portal 9.5 to portal 8.5 only.
Yes. Yes.
That's it. So now click next. Class. If you finish this, so what is this thing is, if you used any password, username password while installing VAS and all, use the same thing here now. That's it. Paste the same thing here. Paste the same thing here. But guys, listen to me. Just go. Do not go in a hurry in this screen. This screen is a tricky screen. If you are in a hurry, you will spend 1 hour waste. I will tell you why. So here, students, if you watch, click this checkbox and do not click validate credential. If by mistake if you click validate credential, it will validate a double admin password and it will take lot of time here. So do not click this button. If you check this one, what will happen is you are saying that do not validate credential. So just click next. That's it. Install. That's all, guys. Everything is over. Let's just wait till this finishes, and you have installed the portal 9.5 successfully. But as I said, you try to watch more videos on my channel because I'm going to cover the practical things also. Like there is a running portal 8.5, let's say from 5-6 years. In that case, how we will do the migration, how we will apply the license of 9.5, all these things we'll cover. This is just a demo purpose only. This video will cover advanced also. Okay guys, finally we have finished installing HL portal 9.5. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, feel free to reach on me in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.